Why you should stretch your hamstrings for longevity. So I get more and more people coming in explaining that it's hard for them to get up and down off the ground. It's hard for them to pick things up. They're getting a lot of lower back pain and they have maybe even never been able to touch their toes. This is because of their hamstring length. So what happens is if we imagine this is our pelvis and this is our leg, so there, at the back here is where our hamstring attaches. So it comes all the way down the back of the leg. So if I'm going to pull on that, see how it rotates the pelvis? That is going to set our lower back up into a bad posture. It's also going to lock our hips so they won't be able to roll forward as we're moving into a forward position. And that is going to stop us from being able to get up and down, pick things up, and go about our daily activities without pain. To keep your mobility throughout your golden years, start stretching your hamstrings now and check out my other videos.